Everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and today is our episode 3 on building the Summertime Cottage and Mayberry Street Miniatures. And again, you can get this at Hobby Lobby. Not that I'm a sponsor, although that would be nice. I love Hobby Lobby. But anyways, we are moving on. We are doing the cabinet today. Right there. And I'm not going to do the second part of it because I am running out of time. So we are only going to make the cabinet and not the little dollhouse or whatever that is that goes with it, which I'll show you what that when I'm talking about right there. I'm not going to make that second portion. We'll do that in the next video. But we will make that one right now. So I am going to go ahead and start and not delay. Let's do this. Here it is, and what I've had to do is just kind of squeeze it in areas where it's kind of separating, and that seems to be helping some because it seems like the wood portion, the wood pieces were a little bit warped. Maybe they did that on purpose, I don't know, but I think it's looking better than it did. But I'm noticing that some of my shelves are a little bit going down instead of straight out, so I guess I did mess that up a little bit, but there you go. There's that part of it. Now let's move on. Alright, well I already messed this up. I wasn't supposed to put the bottom on yet, so we'll see how this looks. We're gonna make the little drawers now. Okay, so I decided we're moving on to this little section here. Oops, right here. And get that done, and then we'll be all finished. Okay, now we are making the potted plant. I didn't show you all how I did that, I don't think. Maybe I have in the other videos. But all I did was take one of these, I believe, or it's one of these little bushy things, and then I just snipped the top off to get the piece that I needed to put in there. We'll let that dry. Okay, so for this piece, it's showing we need 2 pieces of this paper that I haven't cut out yet, which is this one. So I'm trying to figure out why I need 2, but I guess we're just going to stick them together or upside down from one another. So I guess that's what I'll do. I'll just go so the pattern is on each side, I guess. That way when you try to fold it up a little bit, you'll see the little pretty design on there. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, got some needle nose pliers, which probably are too big, but we're gonna see. I wonder if I just squeeze it. That worked. Yay! Okay, we'll squeeze the top on this one. Okay. Okay, check that out. And that's what we're looking for. Okay, and then somehow we're supposed to do the bigger part on the top. So, hold on a minute. Which side is bigger? I guess that would be that. So I need to make this curl in more. So I'm going to squeeze it a little bit more. Alright, and then I need to flatten it. So I've got it there. Okay. Now, we need to stick it on the teacup. As so, as such. I'm going to put it on the long side of the petal of the bead. And I need my tweezers to stick it on there. Like so. So that's as good as it's gonna get for me, guys. Oops, now it's moving. So let's see, we'll just lay it like that. I hope that's right. It's moving. Don't move. It's really way too big. I see that, but I can't do anything about it. And now the glue's sticking everywhere. Okay. This is what I hate about this glue. I mean, it dries fast, but it's just so sticky. Oh, look at that. There's still glue on there. Causing me problems. Okay, we're going to let it sit and hope for the best. But that doesn't seem right. Seems like I should have it the other direction. I'm not going to worry about it. There's the other piece. Let's glue it to the plate. I didn't do that yet. And the plate has the bow going forward. Or the picture has the bow going forward. So that's what it should look like. This thing should be dry by now. So let's get off all the... Look what I just did. Guess I won't mess with it. Let's just put that stuff in there. Okay, so the first thing is... we're going to put the plant on the top. So we're going to glue it. And that goes right there. Cool. Okay. So then this teacup is actually for the next section that we'll do. So I went ahead of myself. That's okay. So that's going to be on the next episode of Crafty Aims Workshop. Alright, so let me show you the completed projects.